Okay, we come to the final part of this whole story. Why we are studying crude oil, why we are studying fractional distillation, why we need to know something about cracking, alkene, and polymerization. At the beginning of this term, I have introduced we are going to study modern materials. Usually they are plastics. So how plastics are made by crude oil, this will be the whole story. Now, although I asked you to underline some parts in the textbook, I'm here to give a very brief review of the whole story. First thing, we have petroleum. After fractional distillation, we have naphtha, 石老油. This fraction contains hydrocarbons with boiling point in this range 70 to 170 degrees Celsius. If you use the naphtha, the hydrocarbons inside to conduct cracking, heating at high temperature without air, with the absence of air, and with the presence of catalysts, these hydrocarbons, they are broken down into some other small hydrocarbon molecules, and most importantly, give you some alkenes. Alkenes, they are special molecules. They have some special connection between the carbon atoms. So under suitable condition, they can join together repeatedly to give a large molecule. This is the polymer in chemistry. As this one is the synthetic polymer, man-made polymer, this is actually plastic. Okay, this is actually plastic. Another analogy, 當然出呢本書嘅時候冇人鏈啦。Another analogy will be joining of many small paper clips. So I need you to finish page 87. If you are able to complete the flow chart here, you know the whole story. So please pause the video and then finish this part on page 87, activity 42.1. Use the given three words, the process, to complete the whole story. Now, I assume that you have completed this. 嗱，你真係同我 pause 咗，真係寫咗先好嘅 OK 啊？真係啊？好，你 check the answer. Crude oil. After fractional distillation, we get the naphtha. After cracking, we can get alkenes and other small hydrocarbons. Under suitable condition, the alkenes, for example, ethene, they undergo polymerization to give polythene. This is the name of the polymer, polythene. 得唔得？好，我哋真係去到 underline 嘅部分啦。Okay, page 85. Page 85. 幫我 underline this up. Most raw materials for making plastics are derived from naphtha, oil fraction with boiling points between this temperature. And the hydrocarbon molecules, so next paragraph, hydrocarbon molecules in naphtha first heat to very high temperature in the absence of air. 幫我加翻呢幾個 term。呢個鉛筆寫落可能睇得唔係好清楚嘅。With presence of catalyst， 你份屋試嗰度有啦。Presence of catalyst。The hydrocarbon molecules in naphtha broken down to form smaller hydrocarbon molecules with few carbon atoms. This process is known as cracking. It is the content we have discussed in the last playlist, cracking. 原來我都漏咗間嘅，幫我加埋。Ethene is a raw material for making polythene. 好，幫我去後邊嗰版。Page 86. Under suitable conditions, ethene molecules join together. 幫我加多個字 repeatedly to form a large molecule. 呢隻 large molecule, the name is polythene. 舊名冇 E 嘅 systematic name Form 4-5學會加個括號有個 E 喺度嘅。So the process here, joining them repeatedly, is called polymerization. Each small molecule, we call them monomer. Each large molecule, we call it polymer. And how can we write the work equation? 呢個幫我打聲。Work equation, the format of this polymerization will be like this. 得唔得？ And then page 87, quick summary. 我諗呢個字你填到啦 monomers. And also pay attention to some of the natural polymers. 有啲我頭先冇講嘅。Rubber is a natural polymer. Wool is a natural polymer. Starch is also a natural polymer. Okay, so we've finished the part of polymer and polymerization within this playlist.